Welcome guys, today we're going to do our 2-player survival. Oh yes! And here is our bonus chest. Our friends are here. Steve. Steve. And here's a bonus chest. Let's take out the peach. To acacia wood. Okay, stone pickaxe. Stick. A raw fish. Done. Let's go. Okay, I'll go to I'll go to find a mine and mine it down. Oops. Okay, we need using the iron. Okay, let's go to find some iron. Maybe we can. Let's go to find some iron. Okay, let's just dig from here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Where's the iron? Where is it? What the? Okay, we cannot mine it actually. What the? I always find like these things. Okay, let's keep down. I don't believe it. How's that possible? How many diamonds I find it? OMG. That's creepy. Oops. Did you know where I am? Auto. Let's don't discover them. Nope. Oh, I lost sight of it. T, B, J, law. Okay, done. How does it take this? Is it gonna realize that I have a queen bee? Because I always think that if I see something. Let's swim out. He is useless. Nothing is here. Okay, just keep looking here, so I just 4 minutes more on. What the? Is a brother? No, did he has Actually, you are not seriously? Go. He looks serious. Okay, let's go. Do you guys know where? Oh. Okay, the host there. I don't care if Anja or something else's. Oops. Let it out. Okay. Game rookie. What? Let's fight. I'm serious now. Okay, let's respond. And go back there and kill it again. I'm serious. I'm angry. I'm an angry guy now. Let's go. I don't care whether it's a creeper or something. I just care. I need to kill it. Really, I'm not nervous. I'm not nervous. I'm not like before. I'm not nervous again. What's... I'm nervous. Just kidding. I'm not nervous. I'm serious. Goodbye. Oh yeah, I always forgot to do something else. A4. Okay. I'm really serious. Here's the end. There's a burning. No, no. What happened? Uh-oh, the forest is getting burned. I hate it. I'm really serious. Seriously? Let's see if we can get some veggies. Oops. I'm a very river, seriously. I'm seriously. Let me edit it. I don't care. I don't care. Done. We're done. Let's go. Okay, now let's see. These are a long time. We will get the iron and mine that when the wiles is not good. And if I'm not talking, I don't guys feel boring. Did you? Tell me in the comment. I know you guys are boring. You guys are boring. Yeah, if you guys are looking at my video, it must be very boring. But please leave a like and subscribe. Don't leave a dislike. If you don't like the video, leave a like. If you love the video, okay. Fine. Okay. Let's start. So. Who's that? What's here? Here's some lava. And something that looks like a diamond. Bunch of them. Hear me? Bunch of them. What do you mean many of them? There's so many. Okay.